Today I'm making some icing wax, and this is the wax I will be using. I ordered this from Amazon. This is the container that I use. This is just a little hot plate. I ordered this off of Amazon as well, and it will hold up to 550 ml. Let that melt down. Here are my cupcakes. They've been setting all night. More apple pie, hot fudge brownie. Some are vanilla shortbread. All of these from Hobby Lobby. So I have 10 candles total that I need to icing today. Also, here are the little boxes that I use to put my cupcakes in once they're finished. And I cut out the template through Cricut Design Space, and then I just use my glue gun and put this little box together, and it is the perfect little size for each one of my candles. So now my wax is melted. Okay, so now I just took a regular freezer bag and I placed it in a cup, and I have my Wilton cake tip. I think it's the number 41. I'll check and let you know for sure. And I just placed the bag into a regular size cup, and I already poured my wax into this ceramic bowl. When it doesn't like start to fluff up at all, you know it's still not ready. This is the consistency that we're looking for, and my heat gun is saying we're at about 100. So that's what we're looking for. The wax should just look like regular icing. I do also like to use a spatula and just push everything off the sides, and then I will mix some more. Okay, and now I just take the icing and scoop it into the bag. And I'm going to put about one more scoop. Okay. Now I'm going to take some of these Wilton sprinkles I ordered off of Amazon, and I'm just going to sprinkle them on my cupcake.